Looking to get the most out of your PS5 experience? In this video, we're breaking down the best PS5 accessories that can truly upgrade your gameplay, comfort, and overall setup. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, there's something here for every need and budget. And as always, you'll find updated links to all the products down in the description. Let's get started. At number 7, we have the Seagate Game Drive for PlayStation 5 terabytes. This is a perfect option for gamers who are constantly running out of storage but don't want to spend a fortune. With 5 terabytes of space, you can build a massive game library without deleting titles. It's super easy to set up, just plug and play. While PS5 games need transferring to play, it's still a smart, budget-friendly storage solution. At number 6, we have the anti-slip silicone skin for the PS5 controller. This is ideal for gamers who want better grip and extra protection without spending much. The soft silicone material makes long sessions more comfortable while preventing accidental drops, especially during intense gameplay. It fits perfectly without affecting buttons or charging. Plus, the unique design adds personality to your setup. It's a simple upgrade that improves both control and durability. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 5, we have the gaming headset and controller stand with RGB lighting. This is perfect for gamers who want a cleaner, more organized setup without sacrificing style. It keeps your headset and controller in one place while also charging your controller effortlessly. The built-in USB hub adds extra convenience for your devices. Plus, the RGB lighting gives your setup a modern look. It's a great balance between functionality and aesthetics. At number 4, we have the joystick replacement grip caps for PS5 and PS4 controllers. This is a great pick for gamers dealing with worn-out or slippery thumbsticks. These caps instantly improve grip and control, especially in fast-paced games where precision matters. They're easy to install in seconds and feel very close to the original, but more durable. It's a simple, low-cost upgrade that noticeably improves your overall gameplay experience. At number 3, we have the PS5 dual controller charging station. This is perfect for gamers who are tired of dealing with cables or running out of battery mid-session. It lets you charge 2 controllers at the same time, keeping you always ready to play. Just drop them into the dock and you're good to go. The LED indicators make it easy to check charging status, and the clean design keeps your setup organized. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. At number 2, we have the PS5 cooling stand with RGB and dual controller charging. This is perfect for gamers who want an all-in-one solution to keep their setup clean, cool, and fully powered. The adjustable cooling fan helps prevent overheating during long sessions, while the dual charger keeps your controllers ready at all times. Add customizable RGB lighting and extra USB ports, and you've got a functional upgrade that also enhances your entire gaming setup. At number 1, we have the PlayStation Media Remote. This is the perfect accessory if you use your PS5 for more than just gaming. It makes navigating apps like Netflix or YouTube much faster and more comfortable compared to using a controller. You can control your TV volume and power as well, which simplifies your setup. While battery usage could be better, the overall convenience makes it the most practical everyday upgrade.